Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download or install Workout for Women. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. Proceeding to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Workout for Women. There you can see Workout for Women Fit at Home by Live Fitness Group. Tap on it, then press Install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open the app and enjoy being fit and losing your weight at home. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, do like and comment down your thoughts on this video. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit that bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.